Moving down here, we've got our 4-way button. Down a little bit more. So the EcoSport is going to be a single zone climate control. Doesn't matter what trim level you have. This is going to be your fan control here. We can turn the air conditioning or the heat on or off from here. This is going to be our rear window defroster. This is going to be our max windshield defroster. This is going to be the fan blowing to the windshield, to our face, to our feet. This circular button here, this is either going to, so let's turn this on here. So with this button on, that means that it's going to circulate the air in the cabin. If we turn this off, that means that it's going to pull air from outside in order to be able to cool the vehicle down or heat the vehicle up. AC means that the air conditioning is going to be on, and then max AC means that it's going to be maximum. As you can hear there. Now moving down a little bit, as you can see, we've got 2 USB ports. You actually can't see these buttons that are here, so I'm gonna have to move you for a second to show you. And there we go. So as you can see here, we've got our auto start stop button there. So that's going to automatically kill power to the engine if we're stopped at a light. Now, one thing to note, it doesn't come on all the time. It does happen sporadically. And the last button here is going to be for our traction control. Moving down a tiny little bit here, we've got a traditional 12-volt adapter here. So if we want to plug in a cigarette lighter, we can. And then we've got, just on the side here, a plus or minus button that lets us control what gear we're in. So if you want to have a little bit more flexibility, just turn yourself into sport mode here. Let's go down, there we go. So go down into the sport mode in order to be able to really use that and take advantage of that functionality.